Hey y'all, welcome to the kitchen today. This is Father John Lyons, and he said, Paula, I want to learn how to cook. So I said, well, you're at the right place. Come on in. And we're starting with super easy recipes, Father John.
Thank you, Paula.
And we were just standing up here talking about his childhood and all that, and it sounds so wonderful. He is the priest at Sacred Hearts Catholic Church on Bull Street here in Savannah. So if you're visiting Savannah on the weekends, he would welcome you with open arms if you wanted to come visit his services. And so we'll how about we put a link?
Well, we're on the web, right? You can go to our Facebook page.
We'll put a link, yes, at the end of this.
Thank you.
This little whatever you call what we're doing. Visiting with our friends.
That's it.
And speaking of friends, you've got somebody out there that you wanted to.
Her name is Jackie in Augusta.
Jackie in Augusta.
If you say hello to Jackie, she
Can we
would
say
love
her
it.
last name?
Hoyt. Jackie Hoyt.
Jackie
Her husband
Hoyt.
is Dennis Hoyt. Good friend.
Dennis, or he's a dentist.
No. Well, he works. His name is Dennis, and he ran a dental lab for the medical.
Oh, how about?
It's
I
Dennis
thought you said
and Jackie
he was
Hoyt.
okay.
No, Dennis and Jackie Hoyt. They would love it.
Well, Jackie.
They're good cooks too. She's a good cook.
There's no need for me to say what a wonderful friend you have in this man, you and Dennis. So, I hear that you have followed me. Is that right, Father John, over the years?
Yes.
So I thank you for that, Jackie. I thank you for your love and support, and so does Father John.
Amen on that.
So the next recipe I'm going to share with you, we've just been doing dips and easy mix and stir dishes, but at least it gets you familiar, touching the food and all of that.
And eating the food too.
And eating food, yes. So the next recipe I'm going to share with you is spicy chicken bites. And these are so good, and the recipe is in my air fryer cookbook, which this is a great little book, and we have a hard time sometimes keeping it published because it works with any air fryer. It doesn't have to be mine. So we're gonna do this recipe, and we're gonna start with like chicken breast that we've sliced up. So I'm gonna shuffle some things around and we can multitask with this. Let's see. Why don't we put our brown sugar? So this is kind of a sweet and savory, which I love sweets and savories. All right, so you've got your half a cup of brown sugar. And now you're gonna need 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And yeah, there it is. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
So this is okay. Is that?
Yes, sir. That you got it.
Okay.
All right, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So you may have a sprinkle. Yeah, you'll just have to pop that off. And be careful. I know you just washed your hands, but don't put them near your eyes. Okay.
Look good?
That looks good to me. And 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And we're gonna get to use the 1/8 of a teaspoon that Mark and Marvin sent to us. Thank you, guys. That has come in handy today. All right, so you got all your dry things mixed together, so we're just gonna kind of do that up like that. And then if you'll put your bacon over here.
Just
Right here.
dump
So we
it
can,
in.
no,
Right
right here.
What I asked.
I'm glad you did too. So we're gonna take our chicken and we're just gonna wrap our bacon around it. And we're gonna just take a toothpick and secure that bacon. There you go. And that bacon, if you don't think it's big enough, it will stretch. So you shouldn't have any problem. Like I said, I think this might be one of my favorite recipes. How about you, Eddie?
You know, it's a little bit like my favorite clothesline bacon
Yes,
recipe.
yes.
It has that candy.
Yes, it gets a little candied. And I tell you, these cook so much better in an air fryer. All right, our air fryer basket. Now, all we do now is just coat our bacon wrapped chicken. Just coat it real good. And we're gonna sit it in our air fryer basket. And then we're gonna spray it. You know, it recommends, the air fryer recommends spraying just about everything you fix, but I don't find that necessary on some things. But on this dish, I definitely recommend you spraying it because it's gonna help that bacon crisp up.
When did air fryers come on the scene? I mean, have they been around for decades or like
You know,
since 19?
I don't know, how long have I been out with mine?
You know, when I first started with you, it was when you got your first
Yeah.
air fryer. So maybe about 6 years now it's been out.
Yeah,
fairly.
but how long it's been out? Now that's just mine.
Yeah.
And I was late coming to the game, and I thought, well, that makes me so sad that I was this late to the game. But you know what? I finally realized it was really a blessing because it gave me a chance to look at others and see what I didn't like about them. And so I was able to, when I sat down at the design table, you know, I was able to pretty much design what.
Just continue to put these in the fryer.
Yes. I was able to design what I felt like would work better for people. So, I mean, we sold way over 100,000 just on Shop HQ, hadn't we, Eddie?
Yes.
People have them, love them. So
I could not do without my air fryer.
this was not one of Mama Lyons' appliances back in the 60s.
I bet it wasn't. But
She would have
I
loved
bet
it,
you
though.
She would have loved
Oh,
it.
she would have loved it. Yeah.
You know, it doesn't heat up your kitchen like your regular ovens do. And it cooks so much quicker. So much quicker than that regular oven, because, you know, your regular oven is like big. And this is a small little space. So
Should we sprinkle some of this on it, or are we
I
done?
think we've got enough on it, but
Okay.
we do have to take our non-stick thing there.
And spray it up.
Yes, spray it. And like I said, that's gonna make it crispy. All right, the soap reappeared, so we got some soap. I see one that might need a little bit more sugar in it. What you think? I think you had a good call when you, is it that one?
I
Eddie?
think, yeah, a little dab will do you.
Is that one? Was that the one?
Yeah. Well, I think the brown sugar's starting to melt into
It
it
is.
now.
It's starting to melt. Can't have too much brown sugar though. Okay, so if you want to spray those,
Is this a light spray or a medium
Yeah.
coating or what?
just kind of medium. Just make
Just-
sure you hit every one of them.
Okay.
You're perfect.
That looks like we.
That one right there. There you go. Perfect. Now we're gonna let these cook for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over. All right, on 400, and for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over, spray them again, so that underside of that bacon can get crisp, and cook it for about 5 more minutes. But that may vary. I'll check it before the 10 minutes is up because these machines are powerful. And it really depends on your cooking time, really depends on how big you cut your chicken bites. You know, some people may cut them that big and some people may cut them that big. So that will certainly make a difference in your cooking time, y'all.
Do you sell different capacity sizes?
Yes,
okay,
yes,
so
yes.
you have different.
This
sizes.
is the largest one that I have. And that's a 10 quart, right, Eddie?
That's the 10 quart. I think you actually have one a little bit larger than that, though.
Oh, really? The air oven? Is the air oven bigger
You know,
than
I
that?
think the digital one that just came out is a little bigger.
Oh,
Is your
okay.
largest now?
But yeah, I started out with just a little one, and of course everybody said that's not big enough for my family. But it was great for like 1 or 2 people. It was perfect, and so we kept making them bigger and bigger and bigger. So if I misquote, you can tell me, Eddie. But I think we have the largest air fryer on the market.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
So I can feed a lot of people with an air
And
fryer.
you do, yeah.
And I do.
Yeah, I know. So how easy is it to clean this once you finish cooking?
This is so easy to clean. My sons had a finish in their pots and pans that I loved. And so we put that same thing in the air fryer. And I'm going to take these out so I can show you how easy. Usually just a damp rag will get it. Come on out there, chicken. Aren't these pretty?
Delicious. I mean,
Uh-huh,
they look good.
they look
smell.
delicious, don't they?
Melt in your
All
mouth.
right, let's see. All right, now see this little handle right here?
Right. Okay.
Look at that. Now look at all the bacon, grease from
Yeah.
the bacon that we're not consuming. So you just take this out and wash it. I mean, it'll wipe right
Is
off.
this
See that?
submergible or you just have
Oh,
to,
yes,
okay,
yes.
so all the heating
All of
elements
it.
are in there.
All of it.
Okay. Well, that's
So there is just nothing to it. And I can't remember what dip we suggest serving this with. To me, it is so good. It doesn't need a dip. So help yourself to a piece of chicken.
yeah. Let's see if they're too hot to put. Yeah. They're piping hot.
They are.
Needs a little bit of a minute or two, but you're braver than I am. But it's still
So good.
Yeah, it's still.
Yes, it's hot, but so good. Love that candied bacon.
Oh yeah.
And I'm good.
You did good.
Thank you. Thank you. Well, you know what? I want you to have one of my air fryers. Oh, that bacon.
Well, thank you so much. There'll be a new chapter in my
Yes.
cooking
So-
career, which has been dormant for the last.
Well, thank you so much,
Well,
Papa
thank you,
John,
Paula.
for
It's been a
coming
treat.
and
I
being
can't-
with me. And I just love it when I look outside and see you and those triplets playing together.
They're a gift from God to all of us.
Yes,
so
they are.
We will
Yes,
enjoy
they
them
are.
until they turn into teenagers. And
Yeah.
Then we'll have to do some
wanna-
serious praying.
Then we'll want to throw away the key. Lock them up and throw away the key.
Oh, mercy.
So, thank you, dear. And we'll move on to other things.
Amen on that.
I'll have you back and we'll cook you a chicken and some fish
Yes.
to show you how easy
Good.
it will be to put your meals together.
I would enjoy that greatly. Thank you so much for
Oh,
your
no,
kindness to me.
thank you. Thank you.
Keep up the good work. We
our
love you.
family loves you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.
Just like we love y'all out there. So love and best wishes to all of my friends out there. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.